Hey everyone, this is Drew with Drew Drives at Grubbs Family Dealerships, and today let's go for a drive in this 2024 BMW 530i xDrive. This vehicle has a 2-liter turbocharged inline 4-cylinder with 255 horsepower and 295 pound-feet of torque with an 8-speed automatic transmission. So I recently uploaded a video on the 2025 model, which is basically the exact same thing as this, but I saw this 24 and was like, hey, why not get a video on this one too? It is extremely hot, so bear with me if the AC speed's a little loud, but I really do like this interior on this new 5 Series and a lot of the newer BMWs. It's very nice, and I love this flat bottom M steering wheel. The shift paddles are made of plastic though. I do wish they were higher quality, like metal ones like before, like in the other older M Sports. Center console over there. You also have a wireless charging tray. As you can see, my phone over there. Big iDrive screen. Reverse camera with 360 view, and I really like this glass controller right here. It's quite nice, and you have a Harman Kardon sound system in here. Seats are quite comfortable. You have a sunroof. It's not panoramic or anything, but it does the job nonetheless. Let's walk around this vehicle. Actually, first, I want to see what we got over here. Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, seat comfort. Interesting. Okay, let's go look at this car. You have a gray exterior, dark gray exterior on this one. Looks like mineral gray metallic. Actually, no, this might not be mineral gray. This thing has a lot of pearlescent flake, more than mineral gray does. I forgot the exact name of this color. I like the M Sport wheels. Here are the rear seats. Power trunk, always nice to have that. You also have a spare tire and a jack, which is cool. Let's get this thing out on the road. I'm going to put this vehicle in sport mode. Optimum traction with reduced chassis stabilization. Alright. You also have a head-up display, and the head-up display looks really good. We're just going to do more of a chill drive. The drive I have on the 2025 is a little bit longer, but for this one we'll just see what it's like to just cruise along the road. very quiet. I think this one actually might be skyscraper gray metallic. That's what it probably is. You have this interesting boost feature. When you hold down the downshift paddle, it'll give you 10 seconds of boost. Get some quick acceleration. The vehicle looks pretty good in that reflection over there. But overall, this is a very nice and comfortable sedan. Looks pretty cool, and the interior is really, really nice. Thanks for joining me on this quick and chill test drive of this 2024 BMW 530i xDrive. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing, and be sure to check out the link to Grubbs Family Dealerships in the description below if you'd like to shop for BMWs like this one.